Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to enable secret chats on Telegram, and this is actually very easy. At first, head over to Telegram directly and then select the chat with whom you want to open the secret chat. Let's say we want to open it with this person, so I'll just tap on them. From there, tap on the three dots at the top right. If you don't see the option right over here, then click on their account. From there, click on the three dots again. As you can see, it says start secret chat right at the bottom over here. So if I click on this, it says, are you sure you wanna start a secret chat? You're gonna click on start. As you can see, this is the secret chat and they have gotten an invitation. So once they come online, and if they click on yes or they accept the invite, your secret chat will be opened, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.